So this part of the tutorial, I will be showing you how to wrap these LEDs around your kitty ears. So you will find that your LEDs will come in one of the four colors: blue, pink, green, and warm white. So in this tutorial, I'm going to show you some LEDs that are in warm white. So once you remove your tape, you will find that the string of LEDs will be in this shape. So first thing you want to do is you want to untangle this string of LEDs. This string of LEDs are on a string of malleable wire. So the good thing about these LEDs is that they can be wrapped into shape, which is why it is important for us to first cover this in yarn to provide grip for our LEDs. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to make sure that I have enough LEDs on each side of the kitty ears. There are a total of 8 LEDs. So you want to make sure that there are 8 LEDs on one half. Sorry, you want to make sure you have 4 LEDs on one half and another 4 LEDs on the other half to make so that the lights will appear balanced. So let's begin. So I'm gonna approximately guess that the middle part of the LED is here. So I'm gonna start winding my LEDs around the kitty ears. You want to make sure that when you wind your LEDs that they go along the top half of your ears, because it's cuter that way. So the distance between the LEDs can be quite long. So one LED is here, the other LED is here. So if you want this LED to be at the top, wind it around the kitty ears more times so that the distance will be exact. So look at here. Again, the distance between this LED and this LED is quite big, but I would like this LED to be over here. So again, I'm gonna wind this around many times to shorten the wire length between the two LEDs so that I can get this LED in this position. And here we are. Now, the next LED is here and here. So again, I like it somewhere around here. I'm gonna wind it around several times until I get my position. And there we are, it's over here. Now that I've got this half done, I'm gonna start working on my left half. Again, I like this LED to be positioned over here. So I'm not gonna wind it too many times because the distance is not very far. And look, I've got my LED here. In this case, I only wound it around like 2 or 3 times, which is a lot less than the amount that I've wound out here. So keep repeating once, twice, 3 times, 4 times, 5 times, 6 times. So I wound it around 6 times just to get my LED in position here. Again, I'm gonna do the same thing to get my LED to be over here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Again, my LED is exactly over here. And now I want to get my final LED somewhere around here. So let's go again. 2, 3. And there we have it. So now the remaining of these wires will be connected to your power supply, which are your coin cell batteries.